Hey there, health enthusiast. Today, I've got some sweet news for you. Dark chocolate isn't just a treat. It's a powerhouse for your health. Grab a piece of your favorite dark chocolate and let's dive into 5 proven benefits. First up, dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants. These little warriors help fight off free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and keeping you looking younger. Think of it as your edible fountain of youth. Next, let's talk about heart health. Research shows that dark chocolate can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. The flavonoids in dark chocolate help relax your arteries, making your heart happy and strong. Now, who doesn't love a good mood boost? Dark chocolate stimulates the production of endorphins and boosts serotonin levels, which can help improve your mood and reduce stress. So when you're feeling down, a little dark chocolate can go a long way. Fourth, dark chocolate can enhance brain function. The caffeine and theobromine in dark chocolate can improve mental alertness and cognitive function. Perfect for that afternoon slump or before a big meeting. Last but not least, dark chocolate can help control your weight. Believe it or not, the fiber in dark chocolate can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and aiding in weight management. Just remember, moderation is key. So there you have it. 5 fantastic reasons to enjoy dark chocolate guilt-free. Next time you're feeling a bit peckish, reach for that dark chocolate bar and enjoy the health benefits it brings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Catch you next time.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.